welcome Selvam, our sales manager, also on stage. So,
Good evening all. Thanks for coming. So today, actually we have already launched. The online launch is happening at 11:30 morning. So the dealerships launching is happening right now everywhere at the same time at 6 o'clock. So we are happy to announce that we are launching the classic reborn model, which is already known everyone, which is a new, which is not new for us. But we have done a tremendous change which is coming right now. So I hope most of the people have seen the videos and YouTubes and pictures, everything, which is already revealed. So we do not want to talk much about it, which is completely, it is not like as you, seen in the pictures like it is going to be a older version and everything will be older. It is not like that. From front to back, rear, everything is completely new thing. So which will gives you a new experience of classic and which gives you a more smoother performance. As everyone knows that customers were keep on telling that it's classic and all will comes under vibration and all those things. So now company has taken a big step in the market to give a very good product, very neat product, which customers will definitely love that. And yeah, we wanted you guys to experience and will give us a feedback. We are ready to take back the feedbacks and we are working on the same. Whatever things which is goes wrong, we hope nothing will happen because the complete design is done by UKT. So it's nothing going to went wrong. So everything is perfect. So we just need your feedback for the new product and we need your support also to make this success. Thank you. Thanks for coming once again.
well, as you all know, Mr. Agrawal, the Classic was initially launched in 2008. It was launched in 2008, and since then it has been one of the highest selling models of Royal Enfield. The new Classic is, which I know they have, it's completely changed with not much of changes in terms of design, but in terms of product, the product is completely new. Which I know the bike has got all the components of the bike have been changed and completely new, which in terms of handling, in terms of engine, in terms of performance, in every way they have made it better. So it's, and of course, they have come out with brilliant new colors, brilliant new design. So without waiting much, we would like to unveil the Classic. Arnav, come over. So as you can see, these are the two new colorways. One is the battle green. Now, I think many people we've been waiting for a long time to experience this color, especially till now it was there only for the international market. Now we have it even in India. So this is the battle green, and we have the chrome red, which is another gorgeous looking color. So yeah, so the bikes are over here. We have the bike even for test drives. Please do experience it, and yeah, give us the feedback as well on how the bikes are. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. So if anybody has got any specific questions, I'm here, my team is here. We'll be more than happy to guide you guys.
In which models do you get those tripod?
Tripod is available only on the concept of Make It Yours, where
Okay.
You book the motorcycle online and you go ahead and you choose the option of having a triple navigation.
So that does not come in stock
It doesn't come in stock.
in any of the models,
No, in any of the classic models.
any of the classic models.
Yes.
How much is supposed to pay for that?
I think it's about additional will come amount to the triple.
The pricing is not.
It's not been announced yet,
Okay.
but we assume to be around close to about maybe a couple of thousands, which are probably about 10,000 rupees or something. Maybe, I'm not too sure.
Just curious, why is it not in the stock? Why is it had to be bought separately? Because it comes with Meteor, it comes in Himalayan
Very
now.
much so, very much so.
Right.
Probably it might be because of the cost sensitivity.
Cost sensitivity, okay.
Yes, and it is not an option that is a mandate requirement. You know,
Okay.
many people still, for me also, I prefer to use the phone than the tablet.
Exactly. Right. Okay.
So it's not a necessity for the motorcycle. So, but yes, Royal Enfield is prepared to give it. But you need to order for it along with the motorcycle.
Congratulations and all the best.
Thank you so much.